Leslie Country Ranch, and I'm so excited you guys are here today. Hello, Ross. Quite the fixing. It's like fixing just an already broken item, just putting a patch job on it. Very, very old fence, and then trees have fallen on it and totally rebuilt. But in the meantime, we are not ready to take on this part of the pasture, and until we are, we're just leaving the fence as it is and fixing it when it's needed. You can see this is the section that we have been working on. So this is the section we've had animals on. This section still has so many trees. It's not been worked in a very, very long time. Fabulous. As long as the cows aren't 100% being able to just walk right through it, it's usually pretty secure enough for the gig.
This time I'll get it.
I think you guys came over here to see what I was
So we're trying to count calves right now, and they're so fast. This is my mom and dad's herd. They bought 10 bred Red Angus, and they're all having babies right now. This makes it 9. So we're just looking at this little guy, a little black Angus, just born, still wet, trying to see if it's black. Trying to see if it's a boy or a girl. Hi, ladies. You're looking fabulous. Are you sure? That one looks like it's the newest. I think it's a new one. Is that a boy?